back to the mix, lovelies and friends, and here we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is calling out Lady V. She's saying that she's really disappointed in Lady V, and I'm guessing it's a situation from, whatever situation arises between both of them, and so she's saying that she's disappointed. She's saying also that she's thankful, she thanked God that she came out and burned the fire, and talking about how, someone came to her and spoke to her about Lady V, but she was not putting one and two together, but no, she has. So go and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful holiday.
Me that this very day was gonna come, and I will see. But he was talking in parables. I'm very slow. He tell me say Jade, he tell me say some Shelly and Sumat something another, or Shirley something another. The last time me and him catch up, when he come and you can ask me who is Shelly something another. You know JJ kind of slow a little bit. And he come here and he ask me who is Shelly something that's related to Lady V and all of them something there. And he might tell me say Lady V and all of them, they work together and all of them things. But at the time, me couldn't believe that. There's no way me couldn't believe that. Because at one time, Lady V and Dana hot and cool. And me say, no, sir. There could be no hatred and nothing like that, did they so? All this time, I never know, say the whole of you jealous. Is that jealousy when they go along between you all of you? But for what do? If a woman have 7 pitney, there should be the same love for the 7 pitney, but it's not like that. Everybody have their own little love. Yeah, man. Because some of the pitney them are bad breed pitney them, Everybody have their own little love. And I say, JJ Walker when they want me, Yeah, man, JJ Walker when they want him, I not apologize to him. Not apologizing to him because I'm facing out of order. JJ Walker is very feisty and out of order. I'm not apologizing to him or not like that. Everything what him said, I meant and all of that. But the fact still remain that he was warning me that it's a group of them. It's a clique. They all working together. I said, go with your foolishness. Oh yes, me run him. Me say, England, you're there. Your head now function so well. Me run him. Yes, me run him. But look at it now. Look at it. Me say, me thank God the day when he come upon me and say, come out here, come light the fire. Come out here, come light the fire. You don't see nothing yet, me girl. You don't see nothing yet. You don't see nothing yet. Me cannot believe. Can't believe. I know me can't believe, Me in a shock. I am in shock. You see what they call them. Lorraine can't turn over. Mash up and turn over. Oh Lord, me have to keep reading the Psalms. Me have to keep reading the Psalms. They can't turn over. But Lady V, come here. Let me tell you this, Lady V. You will never, ever be half the lady that Sophie is. You will never be half the lady that Sophie is. Me and Sophie used to talk more than how me and you used to talk. Yeah, man, me and Sophie used to talk more than how me and you used to start to talk. And I have never, ever, for the whole 4 years, because a long time me and Sophie they talk, you know. A long time me and Sophie they talk, and Sophie correct me if I'm wrong. Weren't we acquaintance before you go over Lorraine? Weren't we acquaintance before you go over Lorraine? Because me they hear something, some people they talk, and I'm saying to myself, but after me know Sophie, good morning Barbisha darling, good morning. Me know Sophie long time, from in a dana time. From in a dana time. But you know, Sophie just not like the things them what Dana do. No like the things them what Dana do. Sophie, me want to talk to you, me have a question to ask you. So anyway you're there, me want to ask you a question, make your presence be known. Lady V cannot walk into Sophie's shoes. Can't walk in a Sophie's shoes. Cannot. Lady V do not know how to be friends with nobody. Not even her own picnic them. Lady V is nobody's friends. Lady V is not even fair her own friend. Not even fair her own friend. Because if my memory serves me right, Lady V, if you will ever have a license or a certificate or even a diploma into anything at all, you then lose it. You would have lose it because you do not know how to keep your mouth shut. You do not know nothing when you're in confidentiality. You don't know. My memories tell me, say, oh, you come on social media was when you, the first time me see you, a true landlord, me know you. Me not look no friend from landlord. I will never go on landlord platform. I will never ever talk to that old witch. Cause him a old witch. So get that out of the way. Me not look no friend from her. But if my memory serve me right, I know you because of landlord used to promote you. Landlord used to promote you. A landlord put you on the scene, you know, because nobody know nothing about you. Not a soul never know nothing about you. But what you do, you pretend like you're this big social worker. Oh yes, social worker. You pretend like you are this big social media social worker. You know, like someone. Oh yes, big social worker. You walk around and you friend everybody. I'm a third. Me no know you are. I know me can't remember you are, but you tell me say you are. Me can't remember, I know, all me know say you act like you are some kind of therapist. You act like you are some kind of therapist. And you come in and you sweep people off them feet. Oh, don't you worry. Because God is gonna take care of them. Don't you worry. God is going to put them in the sea. God is God. You know how to play and people vulnerability. You know how to play upon them vulnerable. You know how to come in at them. You look for the one them what damage, like myself. And you come in sweet to them. You are a witch. You are a witch. You wicked. I summon who you. You go in a landlord head. You see landlord put out the saying hungry. And him pitney them now and do this and him pitney them now and do that. And you call her and you talk to her. Oh yes, me they get it, the vision, they come to me clearly. And you go into landlord. Yeah man, you go in a landlord. Cause you see the vision. Lady V, me never send call you. Me never send call you. And you talk up a good talk. And when time me and Dana have really good thing, you take up with Dana and you play with Dana emotion and you play with Dana emotion. Until finally you contact me. Yes, finally. You come on my page and feel so honored. Lady V upon my page. Good morning. Oh, they can't work up your palm, please. Work up your palm. They cannot even use my name or Obia in the same sentence. Obia pan who? Obia pan who? Lady V, you creeping pan people who are vulnerable. Yeah, you know them when they're vulnerable. Cause me don't know what kind of artist training you get. You get some good artist training. Yeah, man. And you come and you say, you speak up one day and you say, you understand what me they go through. You understand what me going through. Because you never know the truth because you come in, like you're a peacemaker. Oh yeah, you are devil in disguise. The devil in disguise. And you understand where they come from with Dana. And how the people them beat me bad. Yes, how the people them beat me bad. And you go on with yourself and you kind of creep under my skin. And I say, yes, you they talk up the things them. Because that no one hear, The way how me feel, all me want hear say, why? Then you wrong you and your Plancatarians them, you wrong Maxine, man. You do it right after that and apologize. Yes, because you never know. Oh, you never know, sir. I saw Dana went steer and at this and that you thought Dana was telling the truth. You are one hypocrite, two-faced somebody. All the name them where they call people, just turn round the page. Are you they talk about, You they talk about yourself. You're talking about yourself. Yes, laugh at me. She got no training at all. She's faking it to me. Yes, they read, they read book. They read book. So that's why me they tell her say, if she won't have a license or anything like that, then I send her straight to prison. Then I'll try her. This a woman of them what grand jury alone they go look on. And send her straight to prison. Because she thinks she know it all. But there's such thing as confidentiality. There is such thing as ACA and privacy. Yes, you know nothing about privacy. Nothing at all. You don't know nothing when it comes to privacy. You ball out people business after you coming at them. Yes, you ball out. Me know me go here say, and me come here come say this and me come here come say that. But me no business. Me no business. You Lady V, you is one wicked girl. Wicked, No wonder your pitney they repair you that way. And the repaying, you they get from God, The repaying. God working in mysterious ways. Working in mysterious ways. Because you're wicked. And I only come out here to let you know, you will never be not even an inch of the woman that Sophie is. Because Sophie no loyalty. Yeah man, Sophie no loyalty. I have never heard Sophie come out here and said anything about me. Never. I know Sophie before me know the whole of Uno. Know Sophie before me know the whole of Uno. And the only reason why me went stop and talk to Sophie. Yeah man, me went stop and talk to Sophie. I wasn't even watching Sophie. Wasn't even watching Sophie.